At this point in the chart, would you buy, sell, or wait? Take 5 seconds to think. You can pause the video and take a closer look at the chart. To better understand the chart's situation, we draw the trend line by connecting the price lows. We wait for the trend line to break. Don't rush into a trade. Sometimes a breakout from the trend line can be fake. To be sure about entering a trade, we draw the support and resistance zone. We see that we have a resistance zone. We wait for the resistance zone to break. Here you can see that the price tried to break this resistance several times but failed. After crossing the resistance zone, we see that the price is pulled back. We open a short trade. We set the risk to reward ratio to 2. We also place the stop above the last price peak. Congratulations! You can see that you were able to profit from the market using this method. The secret to success in trading financial markets is to look carefully and trade by drawing a few simple lines. Trade with me.